Welcome both water to my channel. Today I want to tell you something. Wealth doesn't start with money, it starts with how you think about money. You get it right? Wealth warriors, listen to this carefully. It's about how you think about money. You can give two people the same amount of money or cash. One will multiply it, definitely. And the other one will fail or lose it completely. But the question is why? Have you ever asked that question? Now, that's why this video today is here to break down deep into how money mindset can shape your future. And I am going to make sure that I break it in the very simplest way in terms so that you'll be able to understand it in a way that will shift your mind and the way you think about wealth and money forever. So make sure you watch until the very end because the last part of this video is quite interesting and there's in a lot of things that you need to digest. Now,
Here, here, and here.
think about this. Before any investment, before any hustle, the first step is the mind. You need actually to work on your mind. A poor mindset says, no, I can't afford it. You get it right? A wealth mind says, how can I actually do this in order for me to afford it? Those are the two different questions that separate the two. One chooses the doors, rather open the doors of possibilities. When you change how you think, you start seeing opportunities. But then, opportunities will be everywhere. But if you don't change the way you think, the doors will always close. And that's the foundation of wealth building. It starts all from there. Now, here is the truth, wealth warriors. The real wealth is built slowly. Do not rush it. Do not run. Learn about it. Most people chase instant gratification. I mean, let's talk about people buying every latest phone that comes, expensive ones, expensive clothes, the weekend turn up. Meanwhile, someone else is delaying those pleasures to build something solid. A poor mindset, leave that a mind that is positive. Leave to those who have built that wealth for a long term to enjoy. You still have a lot to do. Think about it. Would you rather look rich now or be truly wealthy later? Wealth people think in decades, not in days. There's a book that I've written in the description. Find it. They are willing to sacrifice short term comfort for a long term freedom. Is that what you're doing? Wealth warriors, this one is quite huge and it's quite big. If you want to build wealth, you must understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Most of us today, we run for liabilities instead of assets. An asset puts money in your pocket. I'm sure we all know that. But a liability, guess what? It takes out your money. So you need first to create assets in as much as you want to spend on liabilities. Buying a car, for instance, on a credit that loses value, that's a liability. But then buying a piece of land, a small piece of land that appreciates or gives rent after a long time of period, that is called an asset. Maybe you didn't know about asset and liabilities. Okay, so investing in a digital product, for instance, like let's say YouTube channel or a blog, that's an asset that works for you over time because as you build, it will begin to pay you later depending on the work that you are putting in. So wealth people focuses on building a portfolio of assets, but poor people, trust me, they create liability. So poor mindset focuses on buying things that look good, but you don't produce any income at all. So the difference between those who grow And those who stay stuck in one position is their willingness to do what? To learn and to take calculated risks. Poor people run away from the risk. No, I'll lose my money. No, I'll lose my stuff. But wealth people don't fear what? They don't fear failure. They learn from it today, tomorrow, or maybe other day why they failed. They invest in knowledge like reading books, having mentors and courses, and also experiences. But a poor mindset avoid risk. Why? Because they are afraid to lose. But guess what? If you are running away from the risk, that's the biggest, gravest mistake that you are making in your entire life. Not taking a risk is the biggest risk of all that one can ever make. The people you hang around with as well, the content that you consume, the habits you build, they all shape you, you know. They shape your money mindset and the way you look at wealth. Those are the things that we forget and we ignore. Remember, surround yourself with people who push you higher in terms of reasoning, in terms of thinking. Feed your mindset with information that expands your vision. Don't be limited to information. All right. So, and most importantly, build your daily habits like saving, learning, creating. The reason is very simple. This is because the small actions culminates or compounded daily leads to massive, massive results that you never thought of. Listen and listen to this, wealth warriors. Building wealth isn't about money, it's about becoming the kind of a person who can handle wealth. That's why you need to prepare your mind. You get that right, wealth warriors. You don't need to be born rich. No, many of us who have born poor, but then because of the mind, we have managed to create wealth. You just need to rewire how you think, act, and grow. So start now. I mean, start today. Shift your mindset, focus on assets, learn daily, and watch your life change gradually. If this video really spoke to you and it reminded you of something that you are not doing right, don't keep it to yourself. What I'm asking you to do is like this video, share it, and let's build a generation that thinks wealthy before they become wealthy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure that you comment below. This is Uncle J. Let's keep building, keep winning together. See you in the next video. Shalom.